So it's not normally taught in week 1 because we're normally going over all the fundamentals, just sort of getting to know everyone in the class and seeing where we are. This is what we normally put together on week 2. Nice and simple routine. This is just a little recap. Remember, I would have taught it in full in the first course, so this is just a recap for your memory. So I'm going to start with the boogaloo, single, single, double. I'm going single, single, double step, single, single, double step, and tap. So that's your first 2 bars. We then did a mambo. 1, 2, 3, cha, 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 6, 7, 8, and 1. We then did New Yorkers. No, we did Susie Q's, 4 Susie Q's. So we're going to do Susie Q, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. We're then going to do New Yorkers, right side, cha, 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 left side, cha, cha, cha. Let's just do all of those again. So we're going right foot boogaloo, single, single, double, single, single, double, mambo, cha, 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 6, 7, 8 and 1. Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q, New Yorker, cha, 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 New Yorker, cha, cha, cha. Then we did a V mambo, so that's the mambo going into the corner directions. I'm going to go to this corner first. Rock and cha, 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 come back, cha, cha, cha. Rock and cha, 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 come back, cha, cha, cha. Now, 4 core walks going forwards. Left, right, tap, step, step. Back, 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 tap, step, step. We then added on a side basic with a Susie Q. Side and Susie Q, side and Susie Q. I know I've gone through that quickly. I'm just going to put the whole thing together, call it out a couple of times with the timing from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, V mambo. Rock, cha, 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 come back, cha, 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 and rock. Cha, 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 come back. Now we walk. Left, right, tap, step, step. Left, right, tap. Side Susie, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, very brief, it's just a quick recap, and that is our beginners solo club style cha-cha, and that is routine number 1 that we taught in week 2 of our 4-week online class. Thank you, I'll see you in routine 2.